Many people know castor oil as a very effective natural remedy against constipation. But there's much more to this amazing thing than being just a fat or constipation remedy. In this video, let's learn how you can use castor oil to help relieve many problems both inside and outside your body. Let's begin. Number 1. For athlete's foot. Athlete's foot is a common fungal infection that often affects the skin between toes and soles. Caused by a group of fungi called dermatophytes, it can cause itchiness, burning sensations, and often red and cracked skin. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid with potent antifungal properties. This compound disrupts the fungal cell membrane, effectively killing them off. It also has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing qualities, soothing the itchiness and irritation associated with athlete's foot. Several studies suggest castor oil's potential as an antifungal agent. One clinical trial reported a significant improvement in symptoms for 91% of participants using castor oil for athlete's foot. Another lab study demonstrated its ability to eliminate up to 80% of dermatophyte fungi. For athlete's foot, choose high-quality cold-pressed castor oil. Mix castor oil with an equal amount of carrier oil like jojoba oil or olive oil to reduce potential irritation. Apply the diluted oil to a small area of unaffected skin and wait 24 hours to check for any reactions. But remember that castor oil should not be considered a primary treatment for fungal infections. It may be most beneficial as a complementary approach alongside established medical treatment, as advised by your doctor. Number 2. For stretch marks. While often linked to pregnancy, stretch marks can appear due to various factors like rapid weight gain, hormonal fluctuations, and even certain medical conditions. These unsightly scars can make you feel self-conscious about your appearance. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its medicinal and beauty benefits. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These properties make it an excellent remedy for a variety of skin issues, including stretch marks. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin. It stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, two essential proteins responsible for the skin's structure and elasticity. This, in turn, helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and improve the overall texture and tone of your skin. Castor oil also helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin, reducing the dryness and itchiness associated with stretch marks. Number 3. For bug bites. Beyond its soothing and moisturizing properties, castor oil has been shown to be very effective against insect bites, including those from mosquito bites, spider bites, bee stings, and other minor and non-allergic insect bites. It may act as a natural remedy to accelerate healing, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain associated with these unwelcome encounters. Castor oil's potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, primarily attributed to ricinoleic acid, can be quite effective in addressing bug bites. Ricinoleic acid helps lower inflammation and swelling, reducing the size and discomfort of the bite. Plus, its antimicrobial action can fight against potential bacterial infections often triggered by the bite, preventing further irritation and promoting faster healing. In fact, some studies have shown its potential to reduce up to 90% of inflammation associated with bug bites. Beyond mere inflammation control, castor oil offers soothing relief for the itching and soreness that often come with bug bites. Its soothing properties can provide much-needed relief to your irritated skin, while its antioxidant content can boost skin health and potentially strengthen your immune system. Number 4. For irritable bowel syndrome. According to a recent study involving 60 patients with IBS, experts found promising results after applying castor oil topically to the abdomen and held in place with warmth for a specific duration. Participants treated with castor oil experienced a significant reduction in abdominal pain and bloating compared to others. Experts say that castor oil increased blood flow and gut motility in these participants, promoting the release of gas and reducing bloating. Castor oil's natural laxative properties further contribute to its potential benefits for IBS. It helps lubricate the intestines and soften stools, making it easier for them to pass through. Number 5. For PMS symptoms. Affecting up to 75% of menstruating individuals, PMS shows up in a number of symptoms that can significantly affect your quality of life. Studies show that castor oil may help alleviate these symptoms by potentially regulating hormonal fluctuations and addressing underlying inflammation. Ricinoleic acid, the star ingredient of castor oil, is a unique unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. This compound can penetrate deep into the skin and muscle tissue, reducing pain, inflammation, and discomfort associated with PMS symptoms. Castor oil has also been shown to increase the levels of prostaglandin E1 hormone. PGE1 helps to regulate the menstrual cycle and has anti-inflammatory properties, offering significant relief against menstrual cramps. For topical application, apply a thin layer of castor oil directly to the affected area, like the abdomen, breasts, or lower back. You can use a clean cloth or your hands. Studies often involve a twice-daily application for several days or weeks before menstruation. However, consult your doctor for specific recommendations based on your symptoms and needs. Due to potential side effects like abdominal cramps and diarrhea, oral consumption of castor oil is not recommended for managing PMS symptoms. It's primarily used as a laxative and should only be taken under the guidance of a healthcare professional for specific medical purposes. Number 6. For pets. If you notice any kind of lumps or bumps on your pet's skin, applying castor oil can be a natural and effective solution. Simply apply the castor oil to the affected area using a Q-tip each night. Over time, the oil can clear and dissolve the lumps or bumps. And not just pets. If you're experiencing any lumps or bumps on your skin, you can apply castor oil using the same approach. Whether it's a cyst, skin tag, or wart, applying castor oil to the affected area can help to gradually remove and eliminate the abnormal growth. It's recommended to apply castor oil regularly for a few months for best results. If the bump or lump is small enough, covering it with a bandage can help to ensure the castor oil stays in place and can do its thing more effectively. Number 7. For wounds and ulcers. Applying castor oil can also be a highly effective remedy for promoting wound healing and preventing sores from drying out. In fact, Venelex, a commonly used ointment used in clinical settings to treat wounds, is a mixture of castor oil and Peru balsam. It has been used in clinical settings for treating various kinds of wounds, including pressure ulcers, diabetic ulcers, and burns. The antimicrobial properties of castor oil can help prevent bacterial and fungal infections around wounds, while its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and inflammation around the wound, promoting faster healing. Plus, castor oil acts as an emollient, keeping the wound bed moist and preventing drying, a crucial factor for optimal healing. Some studies also show that castor oil may stimulate the growth of granulation tissue, the new tissue that forms during wound healing. But do not apply castor oil directly to open wounds. Follow your doctor's instructions for safe and effective application. Never use castor oil as a sole therapy for wounds or ulcers. Consult your doctor for specific advice on using castor oil for wound healing. They can assess your wound type, suggest appropriate application methods, and monitor potential side effects. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.